In an unfortunate incident that had taken place on the night of 24th February 2021, construction workers of the St. Xavier's Girls' Hostel, UMOID, in West KHASI Hills district were attacked by about 20 to 25 unknown miscreants, whereby some of the workers were severely injured and had to be taken to the Shillong Civil Hospital for emergency treatment. One of those injured in the incident lost his life a few hours after being admitted to the hospital. On this, we have the details of the incident from the Director and Principal of St. Xavier's UMOID, Father Paul COELHO. Till filing of this report, police sources informed that 3 persons have been detained for further investigation into the case.
Yeah, Father, so could you just narrate us about the incident which took place last night, Father?
Yeah, so yesterday morning, the workers came to the site, and we gave them the school classroom to use. Yesterday morning they arrived, Yesterday morning. And then in the evening, at about 10:30, 11, a group of 20 to 25 men came with sticks, armed, broke open the door, went inside and beat up these men. Some very badly, very severely. So at about 10:30, 11, they called the first one in Chakrem. So then immediately their fathers came here, put them in the jeep, saw it was bad. We have only one jeep. There were 8 of them, so we asked one of our friends from here to bring his car. And then the 2 vehicles took them to the CHC in Makarwat. They probably reached there around 11:30, 12. No, we don't have an exact time because everyone was so caught up with what was going on, nobody was checking the time. Then the doctors came and they said 2 of them are serious and need to be taken immediately to Shillong. So we took an ambulance, moved them to Shillong, moved the others also to Shillong, because we suspected some of them might have broken bones, might need x-rays, no external injury, but we were afraid of internal injuries and concussions, no? So they were taken to Shillong at night, and in the morning, by 7:30, 8 o'clock, one of the 2 gentlemen died. The other is better now. One is still lying down because his leg is very badly swollen. One has got his head wrapped up, and I'll send you these photographs, wrapped up in bandages. His hand is all puffed up, broken, bruised. Some got away with less injuries, some with more, but all of them traumatized, entirely traumatized.
And Father, were you able to identify these the culprits, the people involved?
No. We're leaving that to the police, no? That's not our work. So, we have no idea who it is, and we don't want to falsely implicate anybody.